Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, sight unseen. I have not opened this package up. I have not had a look, but on first impressions, it looks like a Supra key safe, or one of those kiddie key safes. The difference on this one is that we have letters all the way around. Era, I believe, is 1982. Okay, and you can tell by the boxing, anywhere you need a key, you need a Supra key box. Apartment, shed, garage, vacation house, and another little garage. Two models. So they've got one with a shackle on top, or this model here, which is just wall mounted. And look at that image. Never be locked out again. Why did they have to use a kid for that? Are they saying that kids lock themselves out all the time? Maybe. Convenient. Your Supra key box puts your keys where you need them. So simply mount your key box to any of 1700. Simply mount your key box. Set any of the 1700 combinations. Attach your key to the cover. Anytime you need your key, a simple combination puts them right in the palm of your hand. For the entire family, when your child comes home from school, guests come early and you go out for a jog or something, your keys are where you need them. Go for a jog or errand. Go for a jog or and errand. Okay, jog or errand. I think that's what it's saying. The Supra key box is manufactured from zinc and brass plating, comes with complete instructions and limited 1-year warranty. That warranty is now over. When you see a picture of a kid like this, your warranty's finished. Okay. Supra Products Incorporated, blah blah blah. It's made in Oregon. Key convenience. You have your little picture there of a don't know what block that is. Anyway, let's have a look. It's from the US. Ooh, limited warranty. Blah 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 blah. Okay, how to fit it. How to open your key box. So we got first is S, second is P, third is I. Interesting. I wonder if it's set to default. I haven't even tried to crack it or anything. Okay, so looking at the instructions, looks like we have a 3-wheel combination. That's not bad. I don't know what how it's kind of done. Okay, to set your personal code. So we have 3-wheel combinations in here, 3 type of spindles, something that we can undo. You need a screwdriver, take the cover off. Opens the same way by pulling that black thing down once you're all dialed up. Loose keys can be a real problem, and we've got an image of some what look to be like keys that are crying with legs. One of them is quickset blank, the other one looks like a Yale profile. They're all crying keys. That's really cool. Old advertisement and all the rest. Okay, and here we have where what you can use it for. So this is a good Mother's Day, Father's Day, wedding, anniversary, birthday, graduation, or a housewarming. So nothing says I love you to your wife than supplying her one of these on your anniversary. It weighs maybe, I don't know, 800 grams, about 800 grams. And if she doesn't like it, you might want to duck, because that's fairly heavy and that can do some damage. So if you're thinking about buying one of these for your partner for an anniversary present, I would strongly advise it, although it does specify it in the instructions. Father's Day, possibly. Mother's Day, if they're losing keys all the time, fine. As a wedding present, weddings, I once again would advise against it. You know, lock it in, Eddie. I don't think it's of the caliber of a wedding present. A graduation, once again, I would be saying possibly not. You graduated and we think you're really smart, but we know you're really done with keys, so we're going to give you one of these to attach so you can have the benefits of keyless entry every time you lose your key. No. Housewarming? Yeah, possibly. I would look at this product more for kids, yes. Elderly, yes. Emergency key safe for people to get into the house if you've got an elderly person there, yes. Groundskeeper, service people that service a particular area, things like that, absolutely. Wedding present, no. Okay, so I'm looking at the back here. I do have some holes here, but I can't scope it because there is a cover over the top, which we found out. So the best we can do is push. Nope. Now, not too sure on the rotation and all that sort of stuff, but here. The 3-letter combination of your new is this. Okay, so first spin the dial clockwise at least 3 turns. So this is sounding like a 3-wheel combination to me. And stop at the S. Okay, let's just do it one more time just for good luck. Stop at the S. Okay, second, spin the dial 1 complete revolution counterclockwise past the letter and continue until you are at the second letter P. Okay, once, twice, we're at P. Okay, third time, turn the dial clockwise until you reach the third letter I. Stop, depress the black release. Okay, so we're going to go this way, I. Okay, fingers crossed. Uh-oh. Okay, we messed up. First, second, third. All right, I'm just going to see if I can... Where do we start? Spin clockwise. Okay, S. S we don't have to count because we've gone past it more than that many times. S. And then 2 to the P. 1, we passed it. 2, we're stopping on it. Now we're going to go to the I. Come on, Supra Lady Luck. And we are locked out. Go one more time to the I, just in case. We are locked out. I can also see some sort of plastic in here, so I don't know. Alright, let's just try this again. It's got to be possible. Maybe we're not even set on this combination, which is very possible. Somebody had a go at cracking it. Somebody had a go at installing it or something. S. Done. 2 times to the P. So that's once, twice, and then once to the I, twice to the I. I think I've gone around too many times. Alright, so there we go. Okay, it's going to take a little bit more for me to get this open. So let's go over a couple of other things and we'll round it up here. Okay, so how to change our thing. So we've got to dial it open. We've got to remove the cover. With the dial facing upwards, spin the dial to release the 3 number rings and the 2 metal spaces. Note that the spaces bend away from the dial. Okay. Spin the dial 3 complete turns to the line 3 point on the spindle. Select the easy to remember 3-letter combination. C selecting your personal combination. Do not use consecutive letters, i.e. consecutive letters, i.e. A, B, F or A, C, P. So don't use letters that are close to each other. Drop the first letter ring over the spindle with the pointer of the socket at your first letter and spindle side to the bottom. So I can see why this might be a bit too complicated for a lot of people, because this sounds harder to set than a 3-wheel combination. I mean, granted that have some numbers, we lift them up, we place them down, but I can see how this could easily get messed up. So anyway, once you get it all, you dial it up. So now I have the joyous thing of trying to work out how to open this. Leave it down in the description, or in the comments, how long you think this is going to take for me to get open. I'll leave it in the description, but I won't keep you here because it might be a while. It might be. It's fucked somehow, isn't it?
Have a look.
Okay, there we go.
What?
Oh, they're the original screws. I had to take 2 screws off and then play around with this mechanism to give it enough clearance to get it to unlock.
Alright, now where's that?
The reason being is I tried everything else and I ran out of patience. So without breaking it, which is pretty cool, I got it open. Alright, now let's have a look at these wheels. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got a U or a V. Did we have a V? Did I have a V? I did. I had a V. I was close. Alright, so there's one wheel. These bend outwards. Okay, a T. I didn't have a T. I didn't have a T. Wouldn't it be funny if the code was something like UTI or STD? It wouldn't surprise me. You got 3 letters, 3 numbers. Pick one. All right.
Wait, am I trying it on the wrong side?
All right. What's our first our first code is a S. Is that a T? No, it's an S.
S. What's it say on the manual? Is it not the original code?
No, it is not. This is why it caused grief. Okay, so what original code are we going to make it now? Let's go for...
SPR.
Let's go for something we can all remember. How about...
ABC.
ABC? No, you did not read the instructions because you cannot have consecutive letters. Even though the instructions are from the 80s, they are still relevant.
Oh, is this it?
Come off. I can see why this product failed. Okay, so I can set that to anywhere I want, I guess. Oh, hang on, does this move? Right, so there's our pickup. Okay, so you turn on it just like a safe lock. Okay, cool. Now, where's the arrow? Why do they make these things so hard? Okay, so they say line up all the notches. Line up all the notches to the top. Okay, let's do that. We've got all the notches. Right, we've got all the notches. Line them up all to the top. Spin the dial. So how do we set our first one? Never unscrew center screw. Okay, so how do I move it? I guess I can move it like that. So it wants me to unlock all them. Okay, alright. So how do I pick a new letter now? Okay. So we're going to redo all these. I think I go counterclockwise. Right, counterclockwise picks up all of them. Cool. So counterclockwise is clockwise. So clockwise picks up everything. So clockwise is the place to start. And we're going to go for the new letter, or the new word of new. So that starts with an N. I've got two M's on this. Oh no, I don't. I'm wrong. That's right.
This is so stupid.
Okay, N, spacer, away. Sorry, spacer with the bend upwards. E. These wheels are awful. On the instructions it says this is a good anniversary gift.
Does it actually?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Have a read. Have a read of all the things they recommend giving this.
Oh, wait, they've actually given you...
Have a read of all the times you should give this as a present. Can you read them?
Mother's Day, weddings, birthdays, graduations, Father's Day, anniversaries, housewarmings, Christmas.
Yep.
They shouldn't do that.
What's that?
Wait, did you say the code was SNP?
No. No, I forget what it was, but
Well, there's something scribbled on here.
don't tell me.
There's 3 letters on there, SNP. Look.
SNP. Possibly.
Oh, shit.
Possibly. Okay, now I have to try it. Alright, clockwise. No retract. I'm not going to put the screws in there. Let's go to clockwise.
Oh, that's fucking stupid.
Stopping on N.
Are you kidding me? No one would ever work that out in a million years.
2, and then go to W and stop. And if we're correct, it should open. Come on. Oh, look at that, it works.
What was it?
I said it. No, I said the combination.
So what was the
And
issue
if you
before?
think why I'm celebrating is because you have not set one of these combinations. You don't know how hard it is to set this combination. And it makes a great wedding gift.
Oh, gosh.
You've got to give one to somebody that you want to frustrate because they have little black rings.
Hang on. Why is this working now? Both sides.
And you have to put it back together in a particular order, very carefully. You've got to have good side, you've got to have good hand-eye coordination, you've got to do it all while it's open, and if you don't do any of this, and you don't follow the instructions, you're going to be locked out and you're going to be super frustrated. So Supra key safe, original design, super frustrating. Isn't that good? So I've set
Super frustrating.
yeah, good for weddings, parties, anniversaries, fishing. You know, use it as a fishing sinker or whatever. This is what you get. All right. Have we managed to do it? All right.
Why does that look?
And I don't know. I'm going to have to go over the video to see if you were right about that stupid little code that was there. Once past E, twice past E, stop. Once around to W. Yeah, working. All right. So clockwise, more than 3 times. Stop on N.
Oh, there's more. Okay.
Stop on N. Now backwards, every time E goes past the 12 o'clock position, it's once. So that's once, and then twice, because I've set this the combination of new makes a word, N-E-W. Now we're going clockwise to W once, and bang, we are working. All right, now the big test. I'm going to put this back in. What, I got to redo it again? Maybe N, E once, E twice, W once, please, W once. Okay, it's locked again. I'll pass the point of no return. If I have done a bad job, I've stuffed it. If I've done a good job, I fixed it. Okay, N. I should have set it back to original. E for 2.
Oh.
1.
What? Why are they crap?
2. This is what happens when you bring all this old antique lock business into the workshop.
I think I've just sold.
You should have just left them where they stood. Okay, Supra keybox done and dusted.